ground teams at Kennedy Space Center prepared on Saturday for a second try at launching NASA's towering, next-generation moon rocket on its debut flight, hoping to have remedied engineering problems that foiled the initial countdown 5 days earlier. The 32-story tall Space Launch System rocket and its Orion capsule were due for blast-off from Cape Canaveral, Florida, at 2:17 p.m., kicking off NASA's ambitious Moon-to-Mars program Artemis program 50 years after the last Apollo lunar mission. The previous launch bid on Monday ended with technical problems forcing a halt to the countdown and postponement of the uncrewed flight. Tests indicated technicians have since fixed a leaky fuel line that contributed to Monday's cancelled launch. Jeremy Parsons, a deputy program manager at the Space Center, told reporters on Friday. If the countdown clock were halted again, NASA could reschedule another launch attempt for Monday or Tuesday. The new Moon program has enlisted commercial partners such as SpaceX and the space agencies of Europe, Canada and Japan to eventually establish a long-term lunar base of operations as a stepping stone to even more ambitious human voyages to Mars.